One of many device manager error codes is the code 43 error. This error is caused by device manager stopping a hardware device when it reports to Windows that it has an unspecified problem. What does a code 43 error mean? This generic message could indicate a hardware problem, or it could be a driver error that Windows cannot identify but is affecting the hardware. Although the code 43 error can be applied to any device in Device Manager, it is most common for code 43 errors to appear on USB devices and video cards like webcams, printers, webcams, iPhones and other peripherals. How to fix a code 43 error. If you have not already, restart your computer. Then, plug the device into another computer and properly eject it. To check if the code 43 error is fixed, plug it back into your computer. Disable your device, then enable it. This allows Windows to take a fresh look on configuring the device. Install the drivers for your device. A code 43 error can be fixed by uninstalling and then reinstalling drivers. Install the latest drivers for your device. You may also be able to correct the code 43 error by installing the latest drivers.